Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make easy and delicious carrot steamed egg recipe. Hope you like it. This easy steamed egg recipe is easy to make and save time, especially suitable to make during busy working days. Carrots contain a lot of beta-carotene and vitamin A, which are beneficial to eye health and can provide an excellent source of eye vitamins for macular degeneration and cataracts. Carrots are also a rich source of vitamin A and rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is a purple pigment that helps us see in low light conditions. Without enough rhodopsin, we would not be able to see well at night. Because steamed eggs add additional moisture, the calories are relatively lower, and the taste is soft and tender. It is especially suitable for people who are losing weight, elders and children with bad teeth. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: eggs, carrot. Crack eggs into bowl. Egg and water ratio at 1:2 ratio. 2 eggs will needs 4 eggshell water as measurement. Mix well. One teaspoon pepper powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Mix evenly. Mix with chopped carrot. Steam for approximately 15–20 minutes. Once cooked, remove from steamer and drizzle sesame oil before serving. Steamed egg is smooth and tastes great, yummy. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.